Claw fam? Today we're doing another vlog and I'm with Chasen.
Yo!
So yeah, if you guys haven't found out the pattern, it's usually always Aaron or Chasen or me alone, because most friends, I can't really just pull out a camera and start filming them. It'd get really awkward, so I usually only do it with them. But today we're gonna be playing mini golf. I thought that'd be a fun idea. So we'll see how that goes. I'm not that big of a golfer. I don't think Chasen is either, but
we're no Tiger Woods here.
Yeah, but since it's minier, it must be fun and easier.
Yeah.
So yeah, so we're about to go play some mini golf. It's like golf, but only minier.
There's not really much skill involved. You just kind of have to get lucky.
Yeah, it should be exciting.
It's fun though.
Okay. All right, guys, we're at Golf Land. Let's go ahead and play the golfing. Let's go and play the.
Let's go to a water park to play golf.
Yeah. Get that golf down.
Lucy. All right, we are here. Yay!
All right, guys, we're at the mini golf station. We're doing the Princess Path. There's 2 of them we can do. We might do both of them. We'll see how long it takes. We're all mini golfed out, but. The what?
Figure that one, but it's okay.
Figure?
Yeah.
What is that?
The princess, girls.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Alright.
Alright, go for it. Wait, actually, let me get it from this angle.
Should I just keep going until I make it in?
Yeah.
Okay. Tiger Woods. 4! Oh my god. Oh. Oh, I can see it. Oh.
Oh no.
Alright.
To get it in 4.
This would be 4, yeah. Alright.
Oh! Oh!
Wow, that would have been amazing.
A little bit. Nice. See guys, isn't this vlog so exciting? You could be doing something else right now, but no, you're watching Asian Tiger Woods play golf. A really bad Asian Tiger Woods. Right, ready? Oh! There we go.
Okay, so we tied on that
3?
one. Yeah.
Alright, 3. Alright, this next hole, there's something in that house. Jason's gonna go check it out.
Yeah, if I don't come back.
I want to see it close on your head.
Hello?
Is anyone home?
No one's there.
They're very festive, I see. They've got their candle. Alright. Thing there. Your balls holder, yeah.
Okay. I gotta time this perfectly. Alright, I'm gonna go on the next one.
Oh!
Oh, let's go!
Oh, let's go.
Woo!
Here we go.
Sweet.
Oh!
Oh, please go in. Oh.
Hey,
Oh, wow. Okay.
Oh, 2?
Alright, I'll take that.
Isn't that called the bogey or something, or is that 3?
Boogers. We'll call it
Boogers. Oh.
What did you say?
He's just seeing how many things he can stick his head in today.
Oh no!
He's gonna attempt to do the impossible. It's never been done.
This one is like so hard.
The lighting's not that great, but we'll try it. Hold up.
Alright, I'm gonna go on the next one.
Oh!
Dang!
Oh! 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 Every time you hit that whip. Oh,
Face of determination. Oh, there you go. If you don't get a hole in one,
I think it just doesn't like it.
oh wow. Oh.
Come on. Oh. I was gonna get a 3.
Okay.
Out of bounds. Hit it from there. Don't touch it. Yeah. You get a hole in one.
Rocks are gonna go everywhere, right?
You can't. Wherever you hit it from, you gotta play.
There we go.
Oh.
Okay, at least you got
That's
over.
not too bad.
Alright, that's 3, right?
Yeah. Four? Nice. Booger. I'll be like.
Oh, that's actually good. Oh, wow. Dang. If it would have rolled here, that would have been. Ugh. Oh, like a pool shot.
Oh, let's go, baby.
Alright.
Yeah. Just to hit it really hard, get air off the ramp, 360 over the gap, and swish into the hole. So let's see if Jason can fill our expectations here. Or you can go around, but that'd be pretty lame. Up. Oh.
Alright, now it's...
Up.
Unbelievable. Okay, I'm literally gonna like not hit it hard at all.
You have to barely get it over the...
Alright.
There we go.
That's 5, right?
5, yeah.
Oh, it's horrible.
Here's the big wheel. Wait, you have to go like run on it.
I can't. It's impossible. I'm gonna break it.
Matrix. It's like Hot Wheels, except for humans.
Oh, Mommy, you have to let me finish. Honey, we don't have to let you finish.
Whoa.
Oh, that was...
Oh. Oh.
Oh, God.
You gotta play it from there.
Really?
That's 2.
There's like a huge hill over here. Alright, there we go.
There you go. Nice. That's 3. For 4? Oh, 4.
Oh.
Nice. Let's go, baby.
That's not bad. Oh.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh. Ooh. That was good. Alright.
Oh.
Alright.
Ooh.
Oh, freaking poopy.
Oh.
Alright.
Really close up there. Ooh.
Oh.
Shoot. Alright guys, by calculating the angle, the circumference of this circle, yep,
Everything looks clear.
according to my calculations, by the velocity of my speed of the club, the impact should just get it. Oh, let's go, math does work.
Okay.
So we're at number 9. The way this one works is you get your ball ready, and I go like this, and it swings, and then you have to get it through.
Someone's supposed to swing it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh. Ooh.
Stop.
Oh, let's go. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. John C. Oh.
That was a brogue kick, ladies and gentlemen. Goes.
Oh.
Ooh.
by the...
Your ball just got zitzed.
Here, you gotta swing it this way.
Oh.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, here we go. Ski ball. Ski ball. Oh. There he goes.
Same.
Then it goes back here. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Ooh. I don't think it'll make it.
Nope. Okay. I think that's a par, actually.
Oh yeah.
I love pars. Nature's fruit.
Pears? You mean?
No, pars are pears that are plural.
Oh. Okay.
See, I know English.
Lit.
Alright, I'm gonna have to give this
Alright, Mr. Ski Ball.
a little extra. Oh!
Oh.
Yellow, let's go.
Wow.
Oh, what?
Ah! What is that?
It went in the hole-in-one.
How do you know?
Look, I don't know how it bounced out, but here, I'll put it in yellow.
No, that's not fair. You wouldn't have counted that if I did that.
Oh, yes, it would. But for some reason, the thing doesn't block it. See? I don't know how it bounced out, but that's a hole-in-one. We're calling it.
Fine.
Alright, we can't just hit our balls into these houses without knowing what's inside. We want our balls to be very secure in what they're going into. Yeah, I gotta get a good shot of this. Thumbnail! Now stick your arms out. Thumbnail pic. Alright, time to get serious now. Down to business. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Oh, let's go.
That's a hole-in-one.
Is it? Hole-in-one. Hole-in-one, let's go.
Look, he's SOB. Alright.
Alright guys, right now, we found an extra ball. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit it as hard as I can. See how high it flies off this ramp. Here we go.
Watch it hit someone in the head. We get sued.
Alright, here. Oh no.
Oh! Uh-oh. There it goes. Come on, fishy.
Got him.
Okay.
Alright, let's try this again. Because you have to like roll it, so...
Yeah.
Actually, screw it. I'm just going to see how high I can
Alright. Yo, you have to yell 4.
4?
Okay. Not bad.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, what the heck?
Oh, you have to make it across the water. It's right there. Wait for it. I think we'll just let him figure it out. Look at the young Chasen as he frantically looked for his ball.
Oh.
I didn't even say anything. I was just let you figure it out.
Alright, I'll just go again. That counts.
Yep. Not as hard as my other one, but... Oh!
This is ridiculous. Now it's gone.
Oh, it's over there. Get it.
Ah.
Go swimming. I think you're on 4. And you haven't even hit it yet.
It's gonna bring me down.
Oh, you got it in play. 9, 10.
Ah! You gotta play it. I did it. 5. Oh my god. Oh! Oh, there it goes. It's like the Titanic.
No, thanks for watching.
It's sunk.
Okay. You can go ahead and go in front of us. We might be here a while.
Alright, he did it.
Here's the hole. Let's see if you can get it into the booty hole. Oh! There it goes. Oh! On to 16. He's already getting ready for his next shot. Oh, what's this? We got a roller. Oh.
Oh, what am I supposed to do?
We gotta play it from there.
Oh, that was poop.
Oh! Yeah, that's poop.
Alright, there we go.
5. Oh! What if it got
Wait a minute, it goes into another one.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh, over there?
Where's that going?
Wait, where does it go?
Oh, there's something. Oh, what the heck?
Oh. What the heck?
Okay.
Did someone just throw something at us? That was you. Is it yours?
Still winning.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
And you were like, it's an easy hole in one.
I beat every time. That one, this one, or...
There you go.
So this one ends here.
Alright.
4. I won.
Oh, wow,
I destroyed you.
I did. I took it from the behind. Alright.
Alright. I thought I did worse.
I know. Alright, you wanna keep
Alright, winner, chicken dinner. I'll just go into 2 anyway, just why not?
Okay. Hopefully they're open. Yeah, there's...
Yeah. It's gonna be like little kids in there. What are you doing?
I hope you were allowed to.
Yeah.